y'all, we are out at One Source Trucks in Burkeville, Virginia, doing some more demonstration videos for you. We have got one of our favorites. I'm gonna call this one Old Faithful. This is a 1999 GMC 12.5 foot bed with 7.2 cat diesel motor. You can hear it starts up perfectly. ALLISON automatic transmission, all sorts of features. So many so I had to take some notes. Like, I got a little cheat sheet in my pocket because there's so much to talk about on this truck. It's ridiculous. The phone number to call or text is 804-928-9099, and carnetcars.com is the website. So I'm gonna have all that in the description. Back up. Y'all, this truck is just ridiculously nice. We've had this truck for a couple of years because we used it quite a bit extensively when we first moved out to this newer location for us. We had to do some demo, we had to do some, some things, some fabrication, whatever. And so there was a point for a few months that we were using this daggone thing what felt like every day. And just met and exceeded every expectation we had. This is a frame-mounted folding crane. It's a National N65 that gives a 7,000 pound capacity, 33.5 foot maximum reach, and 180 degrees of rotation. The maximum line pull is 4,400 pounds. Always works, always starts, never gives us any trouble. We've never had to jump this truck, just nice, super clean, straight unit. This is a one owner that came from a municipality, county. I think it actually came from the state. And I was told that it was used for a group of community colleges to do on-site maintenance. So I was like, okay, seems like a lot of truck for that, but it makes sense. And it's kind of special and unique in that it actually is a dump truck. That is a dump bed that's on this. Now the dump features of it has been disconnected because it's got the utility boxes on the back. But I'm going to show you, that this actually is a dump truck with what has been converted into or disconnected to be a 12.5 foot utility body. But you could certainly remove those boxes, plug in the dump, and use this thing as a dump truck as well. We've got plenty of other dump trucks. We didn't need to do that. And the moment I do that, someone's probably going to say, oh my gosh, I wish I had a flatbed. I wish this was just a flatbed and not a dump. So I could have used the boxes. So I'm leaving it the way it is for now. Now this truck has controls both sides of the truck for the crane, and it has a super long pigtail controller that is in that utility box that's sitting open on the truck. So you've got 3 different ways and positions to operate the crane on this one. Let's see, I think he's done now. So this is something adorable that I've never seen before. And if you guys watch my videos, you know I'm 5 feet tall, so I'm all about helping the shorties. The step on the back of this tailgate, or the ladder on it, is actually designed to be a step to help you get up into, moving the outriggers, to help you get up into the back of the truck. So I just think that's adorable. It is a 2-way tailgate, so you can see that we have it in the drop down position, but it also has the spreader options. All of that works just like it should. Those are the feet for your outriggers. We didn't put them in today because it's just not necessary. Now this truck's got some standard lot dirt on it, but there is no rust or issues on this truck anywhere. The frame is super clean. The tires are in good condition. We've had it long enough that we've actually taken it through more than one state inspection process, and it always passes. This is a Godwin bed. Here is your crane info. So this is a 1999 model chassis, 7.2 cat diesel, the 3126, and it pairs with an ALLISON automatic transmission. You've got toolboxes and storage just everywhere. It is a true 6-person interior. See, there's no cab rod. Some lot dirt, but there's no cab rod. A little bit of damage on the driver's seat, no big deal, pretty standard. Now this truck is set up for the dump controls here. Pretty standard what they do in Virginia whenever they have a state truck that they plumb for plow, spreader, PTO, all that good stuff. 185,000 miles. It's about, I would say, pushing 80 degrees here right now, and I'm telling you, this AC is blowing cold. It is ridiculous, and it's not even on full blast. It's only on medium. Oh look, it gives you instructions, so if you're unsure how to start your diesel, it'll tell you how to do it. So even with your controllers there, you still have room for 2 more people. So this is a 6-person cab. Super nice cosmetic condition. You can see that the fiberglass on the hood is all, uncracked. It doesn't have any of that kind of spider webbing that fiberglass can sometimes get. Here is your cord. I think this is a 25 foot, but don't quote me on that. But so you can hook this up. So that's what I was saying. You've got controls on both sides, plus you can plug in that corded pigtail crane controller and really just operate this crane from anywhere. So quick recap, super nice, super clean, rust-free cab and chassis on a 1999 GMC chassis, 7.2 3126 cat diesel paired with ALLISON automatic transmission. It does have a September of 24 Virginia State Safety Inspection, so we did just take it in and get the state inspection done. It is currently set up with an application for a 12.5 foot utility body with boxes, but this is a dump bed, so it does have all of the setup to actually just plug this back in and use it as a dump bed. You've got your upgraded tow package, panel hitch, airlines, everything on the back. This is dock height, so you do have 4 foot 1 inch. So it is a 4 foot dock height truck. If you're going to do some hauling, things like that, sometimes that matters. Your wheelbase is 19 feet 1 inch. Your cab to axle is 10 feet 2 inches, and your bed is 12.5 feet. So I think that's all the highlights on this one. There's so much to talk about, but everything works, everything functions. Even the factory air conditioning in this 1999 truck is blowing nice and cold. So if you need a truck with a crane, for the asking list price of this truck, you can barely buy a crane. I think the crane alone right now in current climate and prices would run you, if not as much, maybe more than what we're asking for the whole rig. So give us a call or text. The phone number to call is 804-928-9099. And the website is carnetcars.com. Thanks for checking us out.